Hello dear subscribers, dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you and tell you how you can change the notification ringtone in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. For this we need to go to WhatsApp. Here we have calls, contacts, chats. We click settings. Here we click notifications, and after that here we have two settings, group notifications and message notifications. That is, we can change the sound in the group and just in regular messages. To do this, we click sound. By default, we have this melody. And there are a lot of them. We can choose any one. Check the box. After that, click save. We can also click group notifications and also change any melody. And after that, click save. Thus, we will put one melody in the group and the second melody just when it will come regular messages. If you like this video, put a like, write comments, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.